Hi guys, DP56 and welcome to Slime Rancher. I don't know anything about this game, so I thought I'll just load it up. Let's just go with game 1. Choose an icon, we're going cat and adventure. Let's go. Okay, we're in. So we move like this. Right, what? So jump and sprint. You sprint really fast. Okay, L to vac things up. Let's try and vacuum up this slime. Pink slime by Coral Who's heavily proven to be the colour cheer. Cool. So select shoot. Yeah, they can't get out. That's cool. Is that it? Okay, what's this machine? Exchange offline. Well, I saw these carrots, so let's see if we can pick these up. Ooh, tasty food acquired. Food like fruits and veggies or chickens are used to feed slimes. Try shooting food at a pink slime, they'll eat anything. Okay. Let's put you in there first. Okay. So they're dropping items. So let's pick these up. You've acquired a slime plot. When slimes eat, they make plots. Head on over to the plot market to cash in your plot. Okay. So I'm guessing we just shoot it? Yeah, missed. Okay, we got some cash. What's this? Oh, is this like a, yes, Slimepedia. Don't need that right now. So that's the basics. Okay. So one thing I want to look at is this, because I think, yeah, these are upgrades. So you seem to be able to get quite a lot of cool stuff, but we can't get any of that at the sec. So let's go and explore. I think we can go this way. No, we cannot. Oh, that's no. It's hard to pick up a slime. You a plot. They can fly really far when you shoot them. Huh. What's this one? Seems valuable. Probably hard to get. No. Okay, I need to find a place I can go that doesn't make me spend any money. Get the chicken. There's a hen. Hearty chicken bread is twice as tasty as its cousin on earth. Nope. Go back in. Okay, so I'm guessing we have to go this way, because I don't think there's anywhere else I can go. Dry reef. Coral custard ocean floor right now. Us on the golden sun. What's this? Hold X activate. Hello Beatrix, my name is Hobson Twigglers, Rancher Explorer and the former owner of this here ranch. You now call your own. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher for more years than I can remember and felt there was one last adventure left in me, so I went off fine just that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour around this here land I love, so keep your peepers peeled for notes like these. If you want to hear what old crew has to say every now and then, be talking to you, H. Okay. Yes, Star Mail? Visit the ranch house to view. Okay. First, there's a lot of slimes. Grab them all. Let's grab this. I think this is, yeah, food. Some carrots. Okay, so let's just grab this. Up here. There's so much stuff to grab. Wait. Okay, there. Just these carrots. And look, there's a baby hen, I think. Anyway, let's head back. Oh my word. Oops. Hi. So, there is a plot over here. Oh yeah, we can't get it. Anyway, let's head back. So we have 17 pink slime. Okay. Hopefully they'll all fit. Oh no, one's already gone. Yeah, they all fit. Hey, what are the upgrades you can get? Okay, so yeah, this is annoying. Ooh, a map. There seems to be a lot of places we can go. Oh, that's how you do it. You do it from here. So let's go sell this. There we go. So we got some cash. Oh my word! Stop. Yeah, I need to get something to keep them in. Okay. Actually, yeah, let's get something. Okay, so we've got high walls and airnet. But airnet is of course. Let's go with high walls. Oh yeah, that should keep them in. Need some carrots. At least it's easier to get the plots now. Now let's leave the carrots in there so I can get some food. What's this? So upgrade, tank, power core. Yeah, that's quite good. Oops, got an extra carrot. No, I didn't make it. Aristro, struts and stuff like the king of the coop. Tree carrot forever wants it. Another carrot. So you can build more things. A pond, incinerator, silo, coop, garden and coral. We could get a coop at some point, that could be helpful. But for now, let's just go and get something. No, no, I need them. No! We've got a chickadee. So a little unsocial thing there filled with marshmallows. Okay. Get some more plots of that. Perfect. I wonder where the other types of slimes are. We haven't seen any. Oh, never mind. Cat slime. Tabby slime. Those stripes that tell that wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay. What's this? Oh my, Largo. Largo slimes are large slime hybrids. Almost likely to put on like its own. Back to keep them running nozzle, shove them, send them flying. Okay. Goodbye. It's coming back, oh no. Let's just head back. So one thing is that I think that each slime has different diets, so if I shoot you, what do you eat? Oh yeah, diet meat. I just got the achievement, boo. How do I see my... Well, there's a lot of achievements. Boo, let a tabby slime headbutt you right on the nose. Cool. Oh no, no, the tabby slime again! Okay, we got the achievement again. Don't know what that noise was, but let's just keep going. So we don't want to make those hybrids, I'm guessing. Oh no, not the tabby slime! The tabby slime is causing me a lot of trouble. Okay, let's start getting all the... Okay, we're doing this. Actually, the best way is to probably grab this carrot. Now do it. So it'll take all the carrots, but no slimes. I need to escape. No. Oh no. Okay, we've got some pink plots. Okay, I'm going to get the port collector upgrade. Okay, we're close. Actually, let's get another coral to keep the tabby slimes in. Also, here's a hen to eat. Here's another hen to eat. Enjoy your time here. And I still need to keep away to keep these cats in, but for now I'll be fine. Eat up. Can't go this way. So let's go get some more slimes, I guess. Oh wait, actually, first of all, that moon's amazing. Also, no. Even if you weren't here before getting, we need to go here to read the mail. Manage deal. I have none. Rise and shine. Was sleep for a whole year. Did you dream? Can't imagine. Well, it's like 7Z puts you in a pod and then he lights up for that whole time. Well, what's the far range like? Have you started exploring? Is the air as clean as they say? Is it? It's really beautiful. I'm probably asking too many questions, but you have a lot of work doing that around. I still can't believe the shores now. I guess better leave you alone and just keep it short. Good luck, B. If you can't, anyone can make it out there, it's you. And then we've got welcome. Basically, just tell us about our tools. Wait, quickly. Let's sleep till morning. Day 2, 6 AM. Let's go. Oops. Quick, save this habitat. We need to just make a giant collection of pink slimes. It's a good thing we got these high walls, or they would have all escaped. Seem you've been hungry. I need to keep feeding them or I think they die, so that's not going to be good. I don't think these slimes like being captured and then let out again in an endless cycle. Where'd that chicken go? Who wants to eat it? Where's the stock market gone down? Yeah. Okay, so pinks are less, but tabbies are more. What can you actually make? Why would you need a coop though? Okay. Well, for now I just want to get the auto collector. And let's go get some food. And let's grab all the plots we see. So we're gonna need them. Yeah, hen. No, don't eat the hen. I don't know what that noise is, but I keep hearing it. It's over here. Ooh, another type. Oh my word, what? So you're another Largo. Ooh, what's this? I'll activate whatever this is. Oh, maps. Okay. Let's just head back again. This whole place is a maze. No. Just trying to grab the things. No, don't eat it. They're bad for you. By now, we should know that those are bad for you. So we got 20 more slimes, some pink plots, some rock plots, and some hens. So add into our collection. Now let's go quickly sell. There we go, we have some cash. Okay, plot collector. What's a music box? Oh. No one seems to be hungry. I do definitely think we should get some more food and probably start collecting pink slimes. But I think they might die soon if we don't feed them. Okay, we need to head back. Feed everyone some stuff. I might actually get more energy because I sprint around quite a lot. My word, stop it. Ball pit. It's good to know what these achievements mean. Ball pit. Whereabouts is it? Jump into a car containing at least 40 slimes. Yay. Okay. Only eat if you're desperately hungry. Okay, we've got another. I'm guessing that means shoot into their mouths. Yeah, the airborne slimes. Right, we need to... activate. We got some star mail. There we go. And a bit of cash. Eat up. Just need to keep getting plots and keep selling them. And probably don't miss when shooting them. What is this? Activate. Oh yeah, this is the okay. So that's good. I think our next goal is to get a garden. So that we have a good food source. And probably either get rid of some pink slimes, because most of them are going to die soon anyway. And get better slimes. I'm just here for the plots. Trying to remember where we found that cave. Oh yeah, it's this way. What's that? Is that a huge slime? What am I supposed to do with this? Diet everything. Okay. Let's just feed it, I guess. Eat. The only thing I hope is that I'm not wasting all the food on this random slime. Quick, save the cats! Rock slime. Let's save these ones. Ooh, okay. This entire cave is sealed from a cave in when I first discovered it. Maybe the feathers ahead are so grumpy I haven't had a bite in a long time. In any case, don't let that long waited bite come from your run. Bring some food to calm them down. Okay. So there's dangerous stuff down here. Oh my word. Oh my word. There's a Largo. We don't want Largos! What? Yeah, here, come. There's a chicken. Eat the chicken. Okay. That did not go well. Kind of slime key to open. Okay, if that chicken's still there, I kind of want it back. I need the food. You ate the chicken. No, you didn't. I'll save you, chicken. Ah. Quick. Gotta get out of here. Run. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. Phew. What the heck? Wait, did I accidentally? Oh, come on. You don't know, guys. Okay, let's head back to the ranch. Did I accidentally leave that running? Oops. Which one of you is hungry? You're not hungry. You are not hungry, okay. Okay, I was just testing if I could sell slimes. Oh wait, we have a flashlight. That's interesting. Okay, we got some mail, so let's quickly check that. Star mail. Hello, Beatrix. The forest. Okay, my interest in shorts. Build range, exchange with network of ranchers just like yourself who are looking to trade what you got for what they need. Ooh. Oh, I think it's this thing that we saw earlier. Help me out here, I'll make sure we got zoned, okay? Is it worth it? Seems like it is, but all I have for rock things are these guys. And they eat veggies only. When I'm thinking about it, garden. Main question, can you upgrade? Yes, you can. Okay, nutrient soil. Nutrient soil contains compost from the moss blanket minerals from the indigo color. Makes crop always yield the maximum harvest. And scarce knows stuffed time models and to keep modern science away from crops. So we probably want to go with nutrient soil and sprinkler. And we probably want to put in carrots so that we can feed the rock ones when we actually get a coral set up for them. No, I don't want the pink slime, I want the food. Good, you only need one. Eat up. But how are you? You just said no. Get back in. That's decent. Let's go sell these. Still 10. How much do we need for nutrient? 350. I don't know how you get the beetroot things. I haven't found any yet except from in crates. Wait, now we need to go this way. Okay, let's go feed the giant slime over here. Let's try also not to fall off the edge. How are you not done yet? Okay, you do not eat slimes. It said everything, hold on, sure. I'll go feed you in a minute. So we're going to feed the hen. Wait, have we been this way? I don't know. I don't think we was there in the... Wait, these are... Slimes. Let's go. Get the new slimes. Get the new slimes. Also save them because I don't want them to eat any... The plot things. Don't get infected. I think we got them all. What? Okay, again, really cute. But God. Okay, we got another message. Had a great big tree like this one here along the edge of my property back on Earth. Before any could remember, its fate will contain trees around it. Even one day it ran to it was dying. Wasn't anything unnatural. Just time, I suppose. But I realised that if I didn't do something, I'd end up like that tree and spend my whole life in the same place. I wasn't going to let it happen, so I bought a ticket for the far, far range the very next day. Okay. What's this? Okay, treasure pod, keep that in mind. Nope. Oh my word. Why do I try to escape from them while running deeper into the cave type thing? Nope, we need a different slime key, I'm guessing. Wait a minute. Is that a giant kit? Ouch. Hi. Tabby Gordo. Okay. Another treasure pod. Not feeding you yet. I'm gonna try and see if I can feed the pink one. I also think I'm lost. I think I came from this way. Hopefully this is enough. What? No! Not the... You monster. Okay, let's head back. So we have 2 more types of slimes. Oh, I was just about to help you. But no. Let's run back. Quite good how you can find plots in the wild. It's almost midnight. This doesn't seem that effective. Okay, now it is. Hopefully this will go us 180. Yep. Port, peddler. So 100 ports to the plot market. And let's do this. Right. Oh no, let's just purchase it. Perfect. Well guys, I'm actually going to end the video here. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.